Hi, what's up dear all? Today I will teach you how to make a dolly stator circuit. So now at first I need two switches NC or NO and one piece magnetic conductor and one piece holder wire, one piece light and power supply. So I already managed all parts. So now I connection it. At first I connection stop switch output to the magnetic conductor NO contact point and magnetic conductor NO another contact point to shorted magnetic conductor A1 terminal and one piece shorted start switch output. So our phase input phase provided stop switch input and one terminals is shorted by main auxiliary contact point. So direct loaded point shorted, middle terminals magnetic conductor auxiliary point and holder one terminal already magnetic conductor output point shorted, and now I magnetic conductor A2 connections neutral and holder light neutral point shorted A2 point. And now circuit completed. Just I checked it. At first one piece lamp fitting and I starting the conductor is okay, already conductor push okay, but maybe light problem. Now I replace the lamp and I again try to push the start switch. It's okay. Now stop. Okay, start. So guys, already it is working. Just you can try it, but if it is not properly diagram show you, but I will next time full diagram to understanding you. Guys, everyone subscribe my channel, already subscribers, thank you so much. I always do the electrical and electronics work. Thank you so much.